Welcome back. Today we're checking out a newer app that combines augmented reality, social gaming, and crypto rewards. You heard that right. MetaTrace lets you earn Polygon while exploring a digital world in your real-world environment. If you're really into gaming or looking for new ways to earn crypto in a fun, interactive way, then stick around because we're going to cover everything you need to know. Everybody, MetaTrace is an AR-based social game that aims to be a part of the Metaverse. Think of it like a mix between Pokemon Go and a virtual economy game like Atlas Earth, where you can explore, interact, and even earn cryptocurrency rewards while completing missions and socializing with other players. And my favorite part, collecting NFT monsters. MetaTrace does currently have over 100,000 downloads with a 4.2 star review by Relix Games. We'll go over everything in app real quick, but as you can see here, you are able to explore your virtual world like Pokemon Go. You build your own city, which gives you more capacity for capturing more monsters. Spin to earn rewards. Of course, win big. You have live fights with other real people playing the app as well. You collect your crypto NFTs that you can then use to battle with or sell on the market. In MetaTrace, they also offer now a silver and gold ticket for their spin rewards, and I've accumulated 100 silver tickets and 20 gold tickets, so we're going to spin that in the video and see how much we can really earn with MetaTrace. After doing that and getting everything downloaded, what you're going to want to do is set up your account, and it is pretty straightforward. You're also able to access it, as you can see, through Telegram. So you'll get a prompt. You'll be able to customize your profile, set up a wallet to collect rewards, and explore the app's layout. When you sign up, make sure to connect a crypto wallet compatible with Polygon, like MetaMask, so you can cash out your earnings later on. Now, let's get into how you can actually earn MATIC with MetaTrace. So the app has several built-in features where you can earn crypto by completing different types of missions, and here's the breakdown. Number one would be quests or missions and challenges, where I've already completed one today, but as you can see, our daily quest is to drive 500 meters. The main feature of MetaTrace is here, where you run with your avatar to these pinpointed locations that you're able to do a set amount per day, and you're going to be rewarded with different things such as this egg here, which is going to give us a shard towards our NFTs, gems, which we use to buy the tickets that transfer into their in-game token, which then turns into MATIC. There's the versus feature, where I come to someone else's town here, and my MetaTrace NFTs are going to duel it out with theirs, and if you win, you're rewarded with gems and their in-game token, which, as we can see, we won there. So we got 245 gems and 15 A's. So far, I have earned 11.91 MATIC, as they do pay out. MATIC is one of their rewards. How it works with the other two tokens is you're able to swap them. So, for example, 10 MATIC is going to be 177.8 of their TRC token. And again, for their ACE token, 10 MATIC would equal 35.4 thousand of those. So, let's go spin it out and see what we get. Coming up to the airdrop section right here, I will start off these 1,000 A's, another 1,000 A's, 1,000 A's. Alright, on that round, it seems as if I just got the ACE token, a couple of NFT shards, and a couple of gems. It totaled out to be about 15,000 ACE, or about 5 MATIC. And from that, you're able to get a couple more ACE tokens, a couple more shards towards our NFTs, and more gems. Now, when you do collect your eggs, you have to let them sit for 24 hours, and then you can just come to your backpack and tap them like such, and you're going to receive 1 shard. Your shards are going to go to your backpack here, where you are going to be able to collect the shards and ultimately make NFTs, which do have a cost associated to them. The stronger the NFT, the more it will cost. Now there is also a gem car, so using my promo link you are going to be rewarded a gem car as well as a couple thousand gems. And with this, it just tracks your movement. Every ticker at the top here progresses every 500 meters. So after 1,000 meters, I would be complete with this, and my energy would be used up for 12 hours, and I would be paid out in gems as the reward. Now, MetaTrace's TRC token is based off of MATIC, who has notoriously not had a great year. Peaking a lot earlier in the year, it's been on a downward trajectory. Now, the community sentiment is they do expect a bullish return, but of how much we will see, I do believe Polygon's still quite a powerhouse, but you'll notice the same price trends with their token establishing a point here at about 1.5 cents each. So as I've discussed, the in-game token is based off of MATIC, who has notoriously not had a great second half of the year here. We saw a huge spike up there to about $1.20 per token, and it has just been a huge downwards trajectory ever since. As you can see, the volume keeps diminishing, even though I do firmly believe that MATIC is still quite a powerhouse token. I would just like to point out the correlation in both of the crypto tokens. It does seem here that MetaTrace is comfortably sitting at 0.15 cents a token. The community likes to be optimistic on this, but I do not see the token changing from this price much at all. So what's my final verdict then? Should you give MetaTrace a try? If you're a fan of AR gaming and collecting monsters, NFT gaming, and also, well, crypto gaming, MetaTrace is a good way to combine these two worlds. If you genuinely are a fan, I would definitely recommend it. If you are just looking for an app to play to make some money, this can be a good way to take a minute or two out of your day to play away and build another little account or income. But definitely do not expect to get rich off of this app. I did not cover the NFT market because it is extremely saturated, so there is not much buying or selling in regards to the NFT. So definitely do your due diligence and research on that, but the odds of you being able to sell them off for reasonable price is not high. As well, if you're not into data sharing or AR glitches while playing with apps, you might want to take some precautions like limiting your usage to the comfortable specs and reviewing their privacy policies. So all in all, it can be a fun way to earn crypto, especially if you have friends in the space and you're able to grow and develop together. All in all, I would give MetaTrace a 5 out of 10. With the app, I do not expect to see a more bullish settlement coming, but I also do not expect to see it die out anytime soon. If you enjoyed the review or found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on apps, techs, and other ways to earn crypto and forge our path to financial freedom. Also, if you're already on MetaTrace, share your experience, drop your username down below, and let's stay connected. Alright, until next time, everyone. Peace.